children, good morning everyone. In today's class, you are going to revise patriotism question answer and going to write test upon patriotism poem question and answer. Okay? In last class, we saw our patriotism poem. Is it? What are the main ideas in this poem? There are so many main ideas in this poem. Some of them are: we should treat everyone equally, we should not dislike anyone, and we should be united as a persons. We should be united as a persons. We have different languages, but we should be united. Is it? So, this is how this patriotism poem gets over, and just recalled this poem. Okay children, and now today you are going to write question and answer test. Okay children, come, let's we move on to question and answers of this poem. Already you learned question answers, is it? In last class you learned question answers, and now I am going to revise all the question answers which you learned last week. Okay children, come, let's we move on to today's topic. Okay, write test upon answers. Answer the following question: how should we treat everyone? How should we treat everyone? We should treat everyone alike. We should treat everyone alike. Yes. And second question is, what is our core? What is our core? To love everyone is our core. We should be kind and we should love everyone. It is our core. Okay. And third question is, how do we keep our integrity? How do we keep our integrity? We keep our integrity by being united. We should be united. We should not fight each other. We should be united. By being united, we can keep our integrity. So, third answer is, we keep our integrity by being united. And then fourth one is, how can we make our nation proud? How can we make our nation proud? Yes, very good, Ran. We can make our nation proud by treating everyone alike. By treating everyone equally, we can make our nation proud. This is your fourth answer. And fifth one is, a country should have inner boundaries. Justify. A country may have inner boundaries, children. You have to justify your answer. A country should have inner boundaries for good administration. A country may have inner boundaries only for a good administration. Okay, I hope this 5 question answer is very clear to you. Today your assignment is, you are going to write all the 5 question answers 2 times. Revise this poem well and good. We will ask this poem during your online class. We ask orally, we may ask question answers or match the following or meanings from this third poem, patriotism. Okay children, kindly write all the 5 question answers 2 times and post it in Google Classroom. Try to send your assignment in Google Classroom. Please don't send your assignments by using WhatsApp. Please try to learn how to post your assignment in Google Classroom. Okay children, I hope this is very clear to you. These questions are very simple and easy. So please do write and prepare well for your online class. You have Tuesday online class for English, is it? So prepare well for your online class. Please go through all the videos for third poem, patriotism, and we will ask either poem, we can ask poem also. So be ready with all the topics. Okay children, thank you so much for watching. Parents, please help your child to post their homeworks in Google Classroom. If you find any difficulties to post in Google Classroom, you can talk to me. Okay children? And then one more important thing is try to attend Google Meet. This is a very good chance to you. Now you are going to revise all the 5 question answers and write as a test. Okay, children? Thank you so much for your response. Try to write your test, okay? And post it as soon as possible in Google Classroom, children. Okay, children. Thank you so much. Bye.